Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the biggest athletes of all time and one of the most famous persons in the world. Chances are literally everybody on the planet has heard his name at least once, and many people idolize him as well. The footballer has been making headlines during the past weeks because of his controversial move to Saudi club Al Nassr, and along all these, he is also one of the biggest names that's involved in crypto. That's right, and even though crypto used to be an underground world that celebrities didn't really want to be part of until not so long ago, times have changed, and the most renowned names in the world are now striking partnerships with crypto companies. In this video, we'll take a look at Cristiano Ronaldo's involvement in crypto and see what is really going on behind the scenes, so if you like the content we're putting out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video. Cristiano Ronaldo has been known throughout his career for his many ventures into partnership that many people consider to be at least controversial. One commercial that has gone exceptionally viral is that with the Portuguese superstar made for Shopee, a Singapore-based e-commerce portal. The video features Ronaldo scoring a free kick while basically everybody in the stands is too busy browsing their Shopee apps, so the footballer is left with no choice other than, you guessed it, joining in and doing a cringy dance on the Baby Shark theme song of Shopee. Now obviously the commercial left virtually everybody in shock and people could just not comprehend how the company convinced the superstar to feature in that, but nonetheless he did, and that's not the only time that the Portuguese has been involved in weird marketing campaigns. Besides these more than odd marketing ventures, Cristiano Ronaldo has been the face of many companies in less cringy campaigns such as Herbalife and his famous lifetime partnership deal with Nike, which has been sponsoring Ronaldo all the way since 2003 but offered him a lifetime contract in 2016. Now, considering all that I talked about, when the Portuguese star signed a deal with Binance, many were not surprised by the partnership, and that's reasonable if you think about all that went on in the footballer's past in terms of partnerships and marketing deals. But just because of that, the partnership was also overlooked by many, and people did not realize the depth that the partnership will have in terms of worldwide crypto adoption, while also strengthening Binance's domination in the crypto industry. To understand the implications of this partnership better, let's take a deeper look into it. Binance is the world's leading cryptocurrency trading platform with tens of millions of active users, providing not only trading services but other kinds of blockchain solutions as well, like their own blockchain called Binance Smart Chain. Binance's partnership with Cristiano came in the form of an NFT collection that was launched in November, but many people did not realize that the deal supposes multiple collections that are scheduled to launch across the coming years, as stated in the official partnership announcement published by Binance. We're beyond excited to announce our exclusive multi-year partnership with Portuguese football legend Cristiano Ronaldo. The 5-time Ballon d'Or winner is joining forces with Binance to provide a one-of-a-kind experience for football fans worldwide with a series of NFT collections that will launch exclusively on Binance's official NFT platform. Registered Binance users in select countries will also be able to purchase the collections using Binance Pay. The first collection, slated to launch later this year, will feature iconic designs created in collaboration with Ronaldo. My relationship with the fans is very important to me, so the idea of bringing unprecedented experiences and access to this NFT platform is something that I wanted to be a part of, said Ronaldo. I know the fans are going to enjoy the collection as much as I do. This means that Ronaldo will actually become Binance's face, and the crypto platform will become fully associated with a global superstar in a matter of years at most. Even though right now people are not interested in the crypto market because of the current financial situation that the world is going through, at some point prices will rise up again, and this is likely to happen in 2024 after the Bitcoin halving. When that happens, people are expected to gain interest in crypto again, as the hype will be all over the place and a lot of newcomers are expected to join the market. When they do that, chances are they will look directly at Binance, as the platform will have established itself as the main gateway to crypto, especially in the eyes of people who had not been involved with crypto before due to their association with one of the most famous people in the world. The company is not only looking to expand their influence by partnering up with Ronaldo, but also by building upon already existing partnerships, as they have many ties already built up in the football world. Through this partnership, Binance is taking the sports fandom experience to unprecedented levels. Moreover, it will build on existing partnerships with the Argentine Football Association, the Brazilian Football Confederation, and professional sports club SS Lazio and FC Porto. To sum everything up, Cristiano Ronaldo is most likely going to become the face of crypto in the coming years through this collaboration with crypto trading giant Binance. Even though the first NFT collection launched in accordance with the deal may have not performed incredibly well because of the current market conditions and the bear market that we're going through, the multi-year partnership is sure to represent a bridge for a lot of newcomers to the market. In the future, maybe even a partnership between Nike week. Cristiano Ronaldo's main sponsor, Binance, and the Portuguese superstar is not out of the picture, as the American sportswear giant has already moved to the world of Web3 by acquiring Artifact, and it's making a lot of moves actually. But if you want to know more about that, and about everything else that's been going on in the online world since the Metaverse became a thing, as well as which huge companies are already gaining ground in the new digital world, you should go check out this video next.